In this video, I will walk you through on how to check your internet speed in few clicks. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. Here I will work with Microsoft Edge, but if you use Chrome, it will still give you the same result. So let me click on it. As the browser opens, visit this website, speedtest.net. Alright, so I will press enter of my computer keyboard. Once you're here, it will dictate your network that is supplying you with the internet as well as the IP address. All right. Then the location here, Lagos, Nigeria, is dictated. All right. So the next step is to click on Go. You can see how it is going. And here we are with the information we need. All right. This shows that the download speed of this internet network I'm using right now is 38.93 megabyte per second. So if I'm downloading any file from the internet, it downloads at 38.93 megabytes per second. So each second, about 39 MB of that file will be downloaded. Then the upload speed, the speed at which it uploads, is 3.47 megabytes. So every second, 3.47 megabytes of files is being uploaded on any platform I'm uploading it with this internet speed right now. This can change, all right? It's not always constant. And the ping is 98 milliseconds. So that's the time it took you to ping this information. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.